Hey friends, welcome back to the channel for another video. So 2025 was weird. Not just photography weird, but kind of everything weird. So grab a coffee or a protein shake or whatever you're into right now, and let's sit back, look at 2025, and talk about where I'm heading in 2026. So early January 2025, my wife, who's significantly smarter than me, started planning a trip to Mammoth, California for me. Because she knows two things about me. Number one, I miss the forest. Number two, me and the desert have a very complicated relationship. But the reality was this. I was turning 50. Yeah, 50. And at the time, I was weighing at 252 pounds. So I told myself, nope, not happening. My goal was to be under 200 pounds by August, non-negotiable. And like a true professional, I immediately did nothing. April rolls around, still 252 pounds. I get my yearly blood work done and my doctor is basically like, we should probably talk. Well, this was a huge wake-up call. I flipped the switch. I went full tunnel vision, built a plan, and dropped down to 195 pounds in under 4 months. No magic, no shortcuts, just consistency and a lot of, do I really need this snack kind of moments. And somewhere in that process, I looked in the mirror and I thought, all right, if we're doing this, we're doing all of it. So after 30 years, I chopped the hair. The hair that I'd had most of my life, gone. And honestly, zero regrets. I actually love it. Now 2025 also marked my first wedding anniversary. And to keep it kind of simple, I'm just genuinely happy. Like calm, grounded, content kind of happy. Then there was photography. In 2025, I got out way more. My Reno trips up like 200%. Sometimes it was for street photography. Sometimes just wandering around with my GoPro, and sometimes it was literally an excuse to get my favorite coffee from the Hub Coffee Roasters. Not sponsored. But if you're watching, call me. But being out more has changed everything. I'm thinking about compositions before I even get to where I'm going. I'll even wake up thinking, what if I shot that scene just a bit lower? That's when you know that your photography is clicking again. I've also been pushing towards sports photography again. But this time, more into things like pro wrestling, combat sports, things that are a bit more unpredictable than drag racing. And if everything works out, it's gonna be a blast. Controlled chaos, count me in. And drones? I've been flying a lot more, forcing myself to think vertically because changing your perspective literally changes your photos. Side note, if you feel stuck creatively, don't buy a new camera. Change your angle, change your subject. More importantly, change how you see. This year I also reconnected with an old friend, someone that I've known since I was 18. Now you may have seen him pop up in a few recent videos, and honestly, that reconnect, it mattered more than I expected. I didn't realize how closed off I'd gotten. Super introverted, very I'll just stay home kind of energy. Letting people back in wasn't on my 2025 bingo card, but turns out it was important. Now onto YouTube. Now, this platform has been a lifesaver. I've been monetized for a year now, and no, I'm not YouTube rich, but when YouTube sends me $100 every few months, that's validation. That's knowing someone somewhere chose this video out of millions, and that keeps me going. I've also had a ton of collaboration requests. Most of them I turn down. If it's a product that I wouldn't use or something that I wouldn't recommend to you, it's a no, period. Coming into 2026, I'm going to be paying a lot more attention to and leaning into members only content. And yeah, you'll probably hear me talk about it more, so fair warning. But the goal, it stays the same. Better content, better products, more value. So yeah, 2025 was a weird and sort of big year for me in a lot of ways. I hit health goals, I grew the channel, I took some great photos, and most importantly, I started having fun again. So as 2026 rolls in, I'm not chasing perfection. I'm just gonna keep showing up, keep creating, and keep hitting that shutter button. So to everyone who's stuck around, new or OG, thank you. Seriously. Thank you for letting me hang out with you a few times a week. It means more than you probably realize. So leave me a comment down below with whatever you want to say. Just let me know where you're watching from, how you found the channel, whatever you want to say. I look forward to keeping it going. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and give the notification bell a tickle so YouTube will actually tell you when I upload. Also visit my website jeff-gresham.com to grab some of my photo prints as well as my Lightroom presets. And until next one, have a safe beginning to the new year and get out and shoot. And I'll see you again soon in 2026.